Hello friends and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will be telling you HTML topic is text color. How to change text color. Okay, so as I'm using Mac, so I will use TextEdit and please open your notepad and do with me. Okay, so in my second video, I told you the structure of HTML. So just write it here. So first of all, we are going to write the page title. The page title is HTML. Okay, HTML. Now we will write here as we are changing the text color. Okay, text color. So we give the STYLE style. We will write STYLE style equals to this, and then we will write color. We will clone. Wait a minute. Clone, and then I want pink. Okay, now this statement is okay. Delete again the same thing. CYLE style equals to comma color to clone, and then I want it in red. Okay. Okay, so now we got a body. Background is not important. You can put the background, or you don't want, you do not put, but I want to put. Okay, STYLE equals to background. Okay, now dash color, and then to clone, and then I want the color in blue. Okay, blue. Now comma, and then the bracket closes. Okay, so now let's save it. We will write, so I have saved, and then we have to close it also. Okay, it will not work then, so we simply drag it. So from here only you can see the new background. So this is the heading and this is the paragraph. Okay, so hope you liked my video. Please like, share and subscribe for more updates. And in my next video, I'm going to tell you IMG, use of IMG tag, image tag. Its full form is image tag. Okay, bye.